If you want to turn off in-app purchase so that your children won't be able to purchase the app without your permission, then what you do is go to this Google folder, go to Play Store, tap on this profile icon here, go to settings here, authentication, and you have to make sure that this biometric authentication is enabled. So once you enable this biometric authentication, then you have to use the password of your Gmail account at first, and then OK. So once you have put the correct password, now you have applied biometric authentication. Also go to this option, require authentication for purchases, and select this option for all purchases through Google Play Store on this device. So once you do it, if your children or someone else tries to buy app from Google Play Store, then they have to use your fingerprint or passcode, whichever you have applied to lock your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.